Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 22, On the Move Again. Aims and objectives. To know about Dhanu's family, to know about Dhanu's village, to know about problems faced by Dhanu's family. All relatives have come to Dhanu's house to celebrate Dashera. They came with their luggage in bullock carts. Do you know, children? Most common transport which is used in villages is bullock cart. As you can see in the picture, a picture of bullock cart is shown. As Dhanu's father is eldest in the family, so all festivals are celebrated in his house. Dhanu's mother and Kaki are making Puran Poli and spicy curry. Children, do you know what is Puran Poli? A sweet roti made from jaggery and gram is known as Puran Poli. The day passes in laughing and chatting. As you can see in the picture, children, all are busy in making Puran Poli and spicy curry. And they are also busy in laughing and chatting. By evening, everyone's mood changes. The women and children begin to pack their luggage. The men sit down with the Mukaddam for the meeting. The Mukaddam gives the details of the loan taken by each family. Children, do you know who is Mukaddam? Mukaddam is an agent who lends money. As you can see in the picture, children, Mukaddam is explaining and giving details of the loan taken by each family. Then the talks for the next few months begin. The Mukaddam explains to the villagers in which area they would go for the next 6 months. He also gives them some money as loan for their expenses. Dhanu remembers. This has been the routine. Families like Dhanu's work on the land of big farmers till Dashera. Many other families also work on such lands. They earn just enough money to keep them going through these months. But how to manage the remaining 6 months when there is no rain and no work in the fields? So everyone borrows money from the Mukaddam. To pay back the money, villagers will work for Mukaddam. Mukaddam is an agent for sugarcane factories. He helped them to find work in sugarcane fields. Look at the picture, children. On the left side, sugarcane factory is shown, and on the right side, sugarcane field is shown. In the next few months, Dhanu, his parents, his kaka, and his 2 elder children, his mama, mommy, and their 2 daughters, and 40-50 other families from the village will stay away from home. In these 6 months, Dhanu and many children like him will not be able to go to school. Dhanu's old grandmother, aunt who cannot see, and 2-month-old cousin sister would stay back in the village. In other homes too, the old and the ill people stay behind. Now, caravan of these families would settle near the sugarcane fields and sugar factories. For 6 months, they would stay in huts made of dry sugarcane and its leaves. As you can see in the picture, children, in the picture given below, A hut is shown made up of dry sugarcane and its leaves. The men will get up early in the morning and go to cut sugarcanes in the fields. Look at the picture, children. Everybody is busy in doing their work. Women and children tie the bundles of sugarcane. Dhanu's father then gets the sugarcane weighed and takes a receipt. They show the receipt to the agent. Agent gives them money for next week's expenses. Dhanu's I and Mami go to nearby market to buy atta and oil. Mami sometimes buy laddus and some sweets for the children. She also buys pencils and eraser and a notebook for Dhanu. Dhanu will use these after 6 months, as he will go to school after 6 months now. Mami wants Dhanu to study and become somebody in life. She does not want Dhanu to move around with his family like this. Mama and Mami tell Dhanu's parents, next time when we have to leave our village after Dashera, we will leave Dhanu with his Dadi and Chachi. He will go to school like other children in the village. He should continue his studies. So, children, this was all about chapter 22 on the move again. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.